Hello everyone, welcome to Smart NFT Tutorials. How to import Metfi NFT to your wallet and send Metfi NFT to another wallet. First, log into your MetaMask wallet. Click on NFTs tab, then click Import NFTs. Put NFTs contract address and NFTs ID here. How to get NFTs contract address and NFT ID. Go to sub-menu in dApp, then click My Account. Scroll down, then go to My NFT section. Copy NFT contract and remember your NFT ID, then back to wallet again. Back to NFTs tab on MetaMask wallet. Click Import NFTs. Paste NFT contract and put NFT ID here. Then click Import. Refresh wallet one time, and now you can see your NFTs here. Finished. Okay, next I will show you how to send this NFTs to your friend. Click Send button. Put your friend wallet address here. Or you can select Transfer between account if you need move this NFTs to another wallet in MetaMask account. Change select button BNB to NFTs, choose NFT that you have in this wallet, then click Next. Waiting until gas fee show, then click Send. Now you NFT sent. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to your friend. Thank you for watching this video and see you next tutorials.